Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wambo Gitatui, and if it's your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. And today, as you can see, I've done my brows and my lips, as in my eyeshadow. The remaining part is my face and my lips and all the shenanigans. So today, as you can see from the title below, we are reviewing a foundation that I bought yesterday. And here it is. It is LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation, and it's in the shade Cappuccino. I believe that is going to match my skin. If it doesn't, we're going to make it work using concealers and all that stuff. So anyway, I bought this foundation for only 700 shillings. That's like approximately $7 or 6 point something dollars. So that's how I bought this foundation, and I've never used any foundation by LA Colors, but I've used Milani. I've also used Black Opal, the stick foundation, and Sleek. I've also used Sleek before. So today I want to try this new foundation. Actually, it's not new in the market. It's been in the market for like since 2017 or something. But personally, I've never used it before. So yes. Anyway, I've moisturized my skin, and actually this foundation is matte, so I'm not gonna be using lots of primer, but I'm also gonna add up some little moisturizer. I love using this clean and clear moisturizer for my face. It's oil free and it also has SPF of 15. So yes, and I'm gonna apply it like all over my face. So that is done. So I don't want to take chances because I'm a little bit I tend to shine around this area, around my forehead, around this part of my forehead and around here. So I'm gonna be going with this black up primer in those areas. Then I'm gonna give it time to sit on my face. Shake it. And then we're gonna see how far one pump can take me. Now that's actually 1.5 pump. Then I'm going to take a sponge that I've used before. It's a bit dirty. I use it to do my concealers, so that's why it has some colors on. And we're gonna start with this side because we have some spots. No, let's start with this side. I have more spots on this side, so we can see the coverage. I think that's my skin color. Wow. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. And we still have lots left. Wow, that's nice coverage. Wow. Let's show in the rest of the face. So that's how far one pump is taking us. I'm gonna need another one. Far 2 pumps took me. and the coverage is really good. Actually, it's really nice. It has covered up all the blemishes that I have around here. I have a dark whatever around here, so they've already been covered up. So the coverage is really good. I love it. And it's oxidizing. I realized so, because when I applied it, it didn't look like this kind of dark. Okay, you cannot see on the camera, I can't really see it, but when I look like on the mirror, my face and my chest and my neck, there's a difference. Like my face look a little bit darker. So this foundation is oxidizing, so anyway, we're gonna make it work. Anyway, so far I love it. It feels really light on your skin. I don't even feel like I have a mask. You know, the foundations you apply and you feel like you have something, literally something on your face. With this foundation, it's really light and the coverage is A1, and I really love it. What else? Yeah, and it's affordable and it's covering, like the coverage is bomb. I really love the coverage. Yes. Yeah, the coverage is really nice. Anyway, so let me fix all this with some concealer and all that stuff. Then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna wind up this video. And finished the look with some concealer. I highlighted under my eyes. I did some contour and contoured my nose and my lips, and I'm loving this look. So my final thoughts on this foundation is that I really love it. Actually, I do. Of all the foundation that I've ever used, this is actually the second best, because my favorite used to be my stick foundation, how do you call it, black opal stick foundation, but this one is better because it's matte. The stick foundation wasn't like matte, it was dewy. And for me, when I'm choosing a foundation, I go with the texture and like the coverage and matte. That's what I prefer in a foundation. I would rather buy a foundation which is a bit darker than my skin tone or lighter than my skin tone, then make it work using the concealers and the powders and all that stuff. That's my preference. Personally, that's what I prefer. So anyway, I love this foundation, and yeah, that's it. So thanks guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And before I finish this video, I bought this foundation at Ken's Cosmetics. It's in Nairobi. I know many people know about it. It's at Bihi Towers. That's where I bought the foundation, and I am in love with this foundation. And that's it. Yes. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to put a thumbs up, which is liking, and share this video with your friends. You can check out my previous videos, and yes, I love you guys so much, and see you in the next one. Peace.